Today on Packaged Food Gourmet, we're testing out 3 chocolate chip cookie recipes from YouTube creators. Let's start with a disclaimer. I followed the recipes as outlined by the creators in their videos, but subtle differences in appliances used and even the temperature of the room can impact the results. I did my best to do them justice. Most importantly, this is for fun, and the ranking is purely based on our cookie preferences. All of these recipes and creators are amazing, and you should definitely check out their channels if you haven't already. Alright, let's get started. I made and baked each recipe as instructed and marked the trays with a number between 1 and 3. My boyfriend had no idea whose recipe was whose because I wanted to keep it a blind taste test. Nino's recipe was the simplest in terms of ingredients and preparation. Rosanna and Preppy Kitchen used similar recipes with different measurements. Once they were all baked and cooled, I set them out for the tasting. On this channel, we love experimenting with the best and worst recipes on the internet, so if you're enjoying our videos, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. We post a new video every Thursday at 2 p.m. Pacific Time. Okay, so for you to try, we have 3 cookie recipes by 3 different YouTube bakers.
Okay.
Yeah, so I want you to test them out. Tell us what you think of each one.
Okay, well, I'll start with 1, 2, and then 3. So we'll start with this guy. It's not super chewy. It's got a little bit of a salty note to it. Soft, not so chewy, a little bit salty. Overall pretty decent.
Yeah? Alright, cool. Number 2.
Okay. Yeah, so this one's a little bit more chewy compared to the first one. It's got crispy edges. It has just a little bit more flavor and a little bit less salt than this one did.
Okay, alright, last one.
This one has a crispier bottom. It's similar chewiness to the second one. Definitely the richest flavor, like it's the most flavorful cookie out of the 3.
Oh, interesting.
Might be my favorite out of the 3, this last one.
You can do the reveal.
Number 1. We have Rosanna.
Ah!
Number 2. We have Nino's Home. Number 3. We have Preppy Kitchen.
Right on. You know what's funny? You pretty much nailed it on all of them. So the ones on the end, Rosanna's, have the most salt. What you're tasting in the Preppy Kitchen is he uses a full tablespoon of vanilla, whereas she uses a teaspoon.
Right.
And Nino's Home, the middle one, it's the simplest recipe. It's actually very easy to put together, and it's got chunks of dark chocolate, and you're probably tasting the demerara sugar. It's got dark sugar.
Yeah, it had a bit more of a molassesy note to it.
Yeah.
So that makes sense. But yeah, I'd say that Preppy Kitchen, that's my rated number 1. Probably in reverse order, so it's 1, 2, 3 for me. If you like a salty cookie, you'd probably like these ones. I like my cookies a little bit more chewy, so these ones are a little bit more of a favorite to me. Nice. So it's really going to come down to your preference. They're all good chocolate chip cookies, but that's my preference. Number 1, number 2, number 3. As you can tell, all 3 recipes made delicious cookies, so it really just came down to our preference for a chewier middle and slightly crispy edges. Which recipes by your favorite creators would you like us to test out next? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now!